Hello everyone and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the email address associated with your Binance account. So follow these steps. Firstly, open the Binance website and log into your account. Hover to the profile icon and click on Account. Go to the Security tab, then click Manage next to Email. Now you need to click the Edit icon to start the email change process. Carefully read the notes provided and just note that withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours after changing your email. So your old email address cannot be used to re-register for 30 days. Use your passkey or 2FA devices to verify the request. And finally, input your new email address, then click Get Code. Check your new email for a verification code, then enter it and click Submit. Your email address has been updated. Just remember, withdrawals are suspended for 24 hours due to security measures. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.